Hello beautiful people, thank you for joining me. So I'm going to show you how I prepare my soursop leaf tea. So this is my soursop leaf. It has dried. So I'm going to show you how I prepare it. So I want to rinse it with water. So I raise it very well so that any dust that follow it will follow the water out. So this is drinking water. So we are going to allow the water to cook very well with the leaf. Wow. You see? So I want to allow it to come out well. Wow. It's ready. So this is our soursop leaf tea. Okay, it's very good for diabetes. It's nice and it have a lot of health benefits. You see the way I prepare it. So I'm going to allow it to cool down. Let me pour it. So I want to allow it to cool down. You see this leaf, so I will add more water on it and be boiling it. So we are going to allow this one to cool down. You see? This is nice. It's good for diabetes, malaria. So like this one now, I want to reboil it and be taking it small. It's very good. We have nutrients. So this one, I'm going to take this. It's not bitter. Manella and Philip will come and take their own. So I'll allow it to cool down for them. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Mwah.